Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
As a state, we are also not unaware of the effects of the economic reforms on our people. To cushion these effects, you will recall we launched the Eco Cares, our own bespoke social protection initiative. Under that program, we introduced the popular Sunday discount market, where all residents bought basic foodstuff at a 25% discount rate across the 57 locations statewide. Our own Eco came as a form of immediate relief to hundreds of thousands of homes, which millions of our vulnerable people have benefited from. Similarly, under the Eco Cares initiative, we have reduced public transportation costs by a minimum of 25% on all our public transport services. This costs our government almost $2 billion on a monthly basis. We introduced free delivery for expectant mothers in all of our public health facilities. Besides, our health personnel ran a medical outreach under which thousands of our residents were treated for various ailments free of charge. To cater for our tertiary institutional students, we have since increased bursary and scholarship awards to Lagos students to reflect the current economic reality. New entrants into our elementary school do not need to pay a dime. Our workers earned the wage award announced since January by the federal government. In fact, we dare say that the least worker since January this year earned more than the minimum wage. If you can go and check the new minimum wage, go and check, the least worker in Lagos actually earned over 77,000 naira. But the question is, can we do more? The answer is yes. We can do more and we will. Just this morning, almost 2,000 graduates of our skill acquisition center were all supported with various equipment to start their micro businesses in barbing, in tailoring, in hairdressing, in catering, in craft making. And you were all there. Sewing machines were given out, tiling machines, clippers, power generators, cooking pots, cutters, fish feeds, aluminum cutters, fridge freezers, all sorts to meet the needs of all of these medium-scale workers. The popular Sunday Eco discount market, I can assure you, will